zucchini bread. I have never baked this before, but I love zucchini, so I just thought let me try my hand at this. So in this here we have 350 grams of wheat flour. It's all-purpose flour. And then here I just have a handful of chocolate chips and a handful of pumpkin seeds. I love pumpkin seeds. Then here I have about 250 grams of sugar. Here I have a tablespoon of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I've been loving cinnamon lately. I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 egg at room temperature. So and here, this is the sorry guys, this is the zucchini. These are about 4 small zucchinis. You just need oh wow, you could make tater tots are like hash browns. Are they like or are they hash browns? I don't know. Like into the thing. Oh, you want to make sure your I don't want a lot of chocolate today. I normally have a lot, but today we're going to keep it at a minimal. Then you're just going to go under and over, go under and over. Just repeat that. Don't mix, just fold. So what is folding could come in between, under and over, or the sides, under and over. Just be patient. Baking could be a little intimidating, and for sure I have I have had my fair share of intimidation, though it wasn't that much. But I mean guys, look at how nice this butter looks. At first I thought like, wow, maybe I'm gonna need to add some milk. But make sure it's not lumpy. Guys, the zucchini is not lumpy. Okay, I hope it fits. I really hope it does. Well, I feel like this is a lot, but let's just hope it's not gonna, spill over. I don't think it's gonna. Do you think? Child. Ah. Oh my goodness. Can you see how perfect this looks? Oh, and it's still steaming. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So we are going to let this baby cool for
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.